needed a design that helped the building feel like a personal resort in the middle of the city. Villa Valencia is a boutique building with only 39 residences on the private side of Coral Gables.
It exudes tropical lifestyle, and the private cabanas and the public areas will make you feel like you are where you need to be.
So our approach to the style of this project is keeping things very natural and very earth-toned, being reflective of our environment. We live in the tropics, so our materials are of the tropical environments. Our native oolite stone is from here, the Florida keystone. We bring a lot of exotic woods like kummeru and ipe.
These materials really amplify and they complement the spaces, the purity of the spaces that we try to accomplish.
We like to warm the buildings so that they're timeless and they're warm and they're comfortable. And this building and our approach to the building was really in that mindset of a single family home. It's really a project that really resembles single family homes up in the skies.
Villa Valencia is unique in the sense that it is basically the last lot before you start a residential neighborhood. What this means is that you're guaranteed privacy and views. I mean, incredible views going south and north and east and west.
And one of the most special features of this project is that we pushed it towards the west a bit in order to produce a public park. And this park is approximately 9,000 square feet, and it's going to be a benefit for the entire neighborhood.
And we're also using materials that are found just below the ground in Coral Gables. For example, when we do excavation, we're sitting on an oolitic limestone rock shelf, and what we want to do is we want to use that stone rather than taking it and shipping it away. We want to create benches from that stone from the site. We want to create water features, and we want to bring a sense of authenticity to the property.
The residents will incorporate technologies of lighting control, incorporating circadian rhythm lighting. It will incorporate technology associated with water filtration, making sure that the water that comes out from underneath the sink or in the shower is the purest possible water. With the implementation of these technologies that we're looking to put into the residences at Villa Valencia, it's going to better the quality of life.
I think it's really important for people to understand that we're not only invested here today in this project, but we're here for the future of Coral Gables. That for us, it's about being a vibrant member of the community, and we want to be here for generations to come with a reputation that people know and can trust.